We'll stick to a 20-man pool for now. Following the pullout of Tamayo due to a knee injury ahead of the FIBA Basketball World Cup. Let's talk about who can replace Tamayo. But before we talk about that, maybe you could please subscribe to my channel. Head coach Gilas said the pool can still be changed over the course of the preparations for the FIBA Basketball World Cup until the final 12 is named. But right now, Reyes said they will keep the remaining members of the pool intact, mostly because of logistical matters. Reyes said there won't be enough time to prepare travel documents for a replacement player, with the team set for a trip to Europe that includes going to Estonia and Lithuania for a series of pocket tournaments and tune-up games. Questions arose as to whether Gilas Pilipinas can still replace Tamayo in the pool following his decision to beg off from the team due to a knee injury that will keep him unfit for the duration of the preparation for the World Cup. Tamayo begs off from Gilas Pilipinas pool citing knee injury. As per coach Gilas, stick with the 20-man pool. What can you say about this situation?